we're seeing all these different things. We can see this whole clutter of things, like in this store in downtown Los Angeles. And your mind zeroes in on something that could be catching your attention. It could be the CA, it could be the map, it could be the guy with a beard. It's hidden somewhere in there. It could be the globe. Your mind sees all this chaos, all this noise, and it zeroes in on something. But what happens with the camera is the camera doesn't know what you want to pay attention to. And as a result, the viewer doesn't know what you want to pay attention to unless you are in control of that frame. And so for me, that's where the journey actually begins, because once you get over the challenge of the mechanics of the camera and understanding shutter speed and aperture and white balance, all that other stuff, once you get past that, you want to make photographs that express something of that moment of discovery that you had when you recognize that a scene or a subject could give you a wonderful photograph.